Right guys, it's a bit of a bed clearing week this week, I reckon. These shallots have got to come out. We've got Griselle here and my own saved Hative de Niort there. And these onions have got to come out. Bolting a bit now. Yeah. Now, what I'm going to put in this one, sorry, I'll go back to where I started. What I'm going to put in this one, I'm going to put some more carrots in. Because of all the carrots I sowed, remember I did 2 rows? One in wallpaper paste there, and one just sprinkled in. Well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, if you can call them, 5, 6. 6 out of a whole packet of seeds have germinated, so I'm going to do them again. But not sweet candle this time, we'll try something else. Yeah, I'm not going to film this, I'm just going to get on with it and see what we got, eh? Right, I've just come back to my spreadsheet, and not only did I put sweet candle in these 2 rows here, I put a row of sugar snacks in there, and a row of touchon at the end. So I think I shan't be sowing carrots in this one. I'll put them in the onion one up here. Yeah, I'll put them in this one. And that's strange, 4 different lots of carrots. 4 different rows of carrots. Oh, no. Well, that didn't take too long. The Griselles here, quite a few of those, they could be a bit bigger, but they started bending and the bottom leaves are going brown, so just taking up room at the moment. I need to get so much more in. These are my own saved, mostly Hative and a few ambitions in there. So they're just basically large picklers, or ones for the show that are less than, I think it's 30 millimeters is the class. And this is where I'm going to put the carrots in here, just in case. No, it can't be. There can't be nothing wrong with the compost because the onions grew. Oh well. So I'm going to put the carrots in here anyway. But that's going to be, I think that's going to be tomorrow, because I've just looked at the Vegepod again. I just don't want to harvest it. It looks so pretty. I don't want to harvest it, but I'm going to have to. I mean, I've had a couple of lettuce. I've had spring onions galore so far. The herbs are taking off there that I just put in. That's where the Asian greens were, and the beetroot are rocketing up. But I've noticed loads of peas, and next to the peas are the French beans, and the peas are overcrowding the French beans that side. So I want to get those up, but look at these shallots here. These are the Hative de Niort. Look at these. Brilliant, and they will be the ones for the show in the over 30 odd millimeter class. So as you know, I doubled up both sides of the pod. So I think the ones this side are just as good. Let's get round. Oh, the boys' van's in the way, sorry. Yeah, look, nice big ones. So I think today's going to be a harvesting day, and tomorrow will be a planting day. Well, there we are then. I've put these Hatives onto this bed here, raised up a little bit. There's some crackers there. Look at the size of these. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. Just hope it doesn't rain. Right, on with the peas. Well, that was a bit of leaning over. That's the 2 squares of pea. That's Douce Provence from my mate Nick. I'll tell you what, they're very nice. Let's push these back a little bit. If you remember now, we had the Rocket Grow that side and the Miracle Grow compost that side. Let's zoom over to the bed. And here they are, Rocket Grow, Miracle Grow, and believe it or not, no difference whatsoever. Both just a shade, well, 700 grams, so I think that was 690 and that was just 700. So no difference whatsoever at the end of the day. And what I'll do, Nick, as advised by yourself, I'll save the older ones like this one here, and yeah, save enough for next year, because they are, I'll tell you what, I've actually eaten a few and they are delicious, so sweet. Douce Provence, yeah. I'll put the name on the screen anyway, because my French is worse than my Italian, you know what I mean. There we go then, guys, that's it for today. Rain's threatened now, so I might have to lift all these blooming shallots and onions and stick them indoors, stick them in the greenhouse. Oh, we'll see. Let's go and check the weather forecast. Catch you soon. Well, alright guys, just about to shell the peas. These are the Douce Provence that Nick sent me, the seeds. Yeah, brilliant. I'll tell you what they are. They are so sweet. So the whole things are there, the husks, whatever you call them, are going in there. Peas are going in there, and that is going down there. And it is a glass of Matlow's Nose. Now, can anyone tell me what Matlow's Nose is? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yeah. It's the nickname we had in the Navy for Mathieu's Rosé. Yeah, Matlow's Nose. I'll tell you what, it's not a bad wine, actually. Right, yeah, well then, get on with it, and I'll come back when they're all done. Only small pods, look, but cool, are they well populated? Look at that. Fantastic. Here we are then. If you've got a bit of an arduous task like this, the best thing to do is to do the smallest ones first, because if you leave them till last, you'll get fed up and throw them away. So do the little tiddlers with 1 or 2 peas in, like that. And how I do mine, I'll show you one. I break the spine. Oh, I'll do another one in a minute, hang on. And peel the you know, what would be the string of a runner bean, peel it off, and they all just pop out then. Not showing you very well. Oh, that's mine, that one. Yeah. Peel the string off the back. Give it a little twist. And then rub your thumb down. Obviously, it takes longer to talk about it than it does to do it, you know. I tell you what, these are nice peas. These are very sweet. I've got them at all stages here at the moment. So, like these here, I've saved these because these are the older ones that have gone a little bit. You know, you can tell they've gone over a bit because they're a bit white and mottly. So that's the ones I'm saving for the to grow next year. Whew, about a third of the way through. Doing this in the evening because it's too bloody hot earlier on. I was at the plot today doing a little bit of planting. I got some brassicas in, and I had a quick look around. Yeah, quick spot watering sort of thing. Not proper watering, but spot watering for individual plants. And I looked at the peas, and they're all podding up nicely. So peas there soon as well. What if I show you how I do it? Without my fingers in the way, hang on. So peel it back. Yeah, front way round now, look, open up, and they will just fall out. And just rub your finger or thumb down the middle. Easy enough. Well, all done. Took about 20 minutes, I suppose. So, a couple of little tiddlers left. Loads of peas. Look at that lot. Fantastic. They'll be going in the compost or the worm bin, and I've saved a few. Now this is what I mean, look, the ones that have gone whitish, they're the ones that are going to taste like cannonballs anyway. So that's the ones I'm saving for next year. Brilliant. So I've got to keep a few of these for now, because I'm having gammon steak with my Vivaldi new potatoes, and the rest I'm going to quickly blanch and get them in the freezer.